Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering the Honor X9b 5G down and removing the SIM tray so nothing powers the display while you work. Once done, place the phone on an ESD-safe mat and gather a small Phillips, plastic pry tool, and suction cup. You'll need the replacement OLED panel or the display connector kit and pre-cut adhesive. This prevents damage and speeds repair. Make sure battery is below 50% to reduce risk, and position a clean light source over the screen area. You heat the lower rear edge for 30–40 seconds with a heat gun or hairdryer to soften adhesive, then use a suction cup and plastic pry to lift the back cover gently. Once exposed, you disconnect the battery immediately to avoid shorts. Next, unplug the display connector and inspect both connector and flex for corrosion, bent pins, or debris. This is often the green line cause. If the connector looks damaged, replace it or the whole OLED, making sure to align pads precisely before reassembly. You reconnect the battery and display, then power the phone on to test the screen before sealing the rear cover. This saves time if you need another adjustment. Once the image is clean, apply the new adhesive strip, press the back cover into place evenly, and let adhesive set for 10–15 minutes. If the green line persists after hardware swaps, perform a factory reset or reseat connectors one more time. If still present, the panel may be defective and needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.